How to hide your work from specific friends on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to hide your work from specific friends on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and then click these three lines in the top corner and go down, click settings, and here just click profile information and then click you will find your work here, click this pen and then click here, and now just click see more and click friends. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.